Hello friends, welcome to my class. So today's topic would be head loss in pipe. Okay, so remember that my class name would be Pandey Praveen. So please subscribe my channel and let us begin today's class. So today's class is what? Losses in pipe. Okay, so before that let us see an example. See, if there is a pipe, so this is our pipe, okay, which is horizontal, and if this is its central line, and if water is flowing through this direction, flowing in this direction, remember that water always flows from high pressure to low pressure. Okay, so see, if at all we want to know what is the pressure in this pipe, how could you know? You know that we can know it by simple barometer or else manometer. So let us see, if this is my section 1 of the pipe and this is section 2 of my pipe. Okay, so if water is flowing from this way with a pressure P1, okay, so here we may have as P1 its pressure, A1 its area, and V1 its velocity. Okay, at the section 2 there will be another pressure or the reaction which acts on this onto the pipe at section 2, that may be P2. Okay, any doubt? Let P2 be pressure at that point, A2 its area, and V2 its velocity. And we know that water flows from higher pressure to lower pressure. It means that if water is flowing from P1, then the pressure at P1 should be greater than pressure at P2. Okay, it means that if at all my P1 is 5, we can say bar, okay, and if P2 should be less than 5, it may be 3. Okay, so since there is difference in pressure, my liquid will flow. If at all there is no difference in pressure, liquid will not flow. So let us see, if I have inserted a tube, transparent tube, by making a drill into the pipe, I have inserted a transparent tube at section 1 and another tube at section 2. So I have inserted a transparent tube at section 1 and another tube at section 2. Since water is flowing with difference in pressure, the water will surely rise in this one to a certain height, let that height be h1. Now after going through a distance of maybe L, let it be distance of L, there will be losses in pressure. So obviously water will again rise in this tube also, will rise even in this tube also, that may be H2, that is my H2. Now see this here, so this remaining head I could call as HF. So HF will be equal to H1 minus H2. Any doubt? So this HF can be written as small hf, H1 minus H2. So remember, this is called head loss. Now F is what? Friction. This head loss will be generally only with the sake of friction. So this small hf is called frictional loss, or we can say it as energy loss, or the energy which it is dissipating from point 1 to the point 2. Okay, so that is HF. Look at the equation. Any doubt, please comment me. This video would be very short. Okay, and remember, my channel name would be Pandey Praveen. So whenever you want any notes or any derivations on my channel, just write the derivation name followed by my name. For example, if you want Pascal's law, what you'll do? Pascal's law by Pandey Praveen. Surely you will get it out. So please subscribe my channel and you can share it with your friends. See, they will never say you why you have done it, because it's a good interesting thing. Okay, try to share it, try to use bell icon, and yeah, that is HF. If you could understand this topic, the next topic which I'll be discussing in the coming classes, that would be very easy to understand. Any doubt, please comment on me. Thank you.